And we have not had measurable rain in Pittsburgh or the most of Pittsburgh for about 3 weeks. So that's why we are under those moderate drought conditions. The new drought monitor maps just updated yesterday, and the situation getting worse and not really any improvement today at all. We had a little bit of activity popping up just south of the Pittsburgh area, but in some areas we haven't had rain since August 5th. So here are your current conditions. 71 degrees right now under partly cloudy skies. Next 12 hours, well, we will see partly to mostly cloudy skies around the area, but for the most part, we're looking at just a slight chance of a shower or a thunderstorm as we head through the afternoon or evening hours. But here are your headlines. Most of the activity that we're going to see is not going to happen until Sunday afternoon. So here's a look at what we saw earlier this evening. Scattered showers and a couple of thunderstorms popping up right along I-70, mainly in Washington County. A little bit of activity into Westmoreland and Somerset County as well. But these gave some much needed rain to some areas for about maybe 15 minutes. And as soon as they bubbled up, then as soon as the sun went down, we lost the heating of the day. They lost their fuel. So you see right now dry conditions, and where we had a little bit of that rain, we've stayed in the 60s most of the evening. Upper 60s in Washington, 67 in Waynesburg, 69 in Connellsville, and then some 70s in Beaver Falls, Cranberry, and Greensburg. Still some upper 60s up along the I-80 corridor, but the high temperature today well above average. Our normal high 81, we made it all the way up to 87 degrees. The low this morning was 60. So here is the low pressure center that sparked those showers. It's way down over the Nashville area. They had a lot of wet weather in western Kentucky, western Tennessee today. Activity swirling around that low, and it tried to push a little bit of this moisture up into our area, but it just didn't make it very far. So about the I-70 corridor was as far north as it made it. So here's a look at where there is a lot of moisture and a lot of heat, which is fueling two tropical systems at the same time. Tropical Depression 14, which is about 200 miles east of Cozumel, Mexico, and then Tropical Storm Laura, which has 45-mile-per-hour winds. It is just approaching or over the Leeward Islands, approaching Puerto Rico. Now, what's significant about these two is, first of all, it's the first L-named storm, the earliest that we've had one of those. And also, it's the first time possibly ever that we could have two hurricanes at the same time in the Gulf of Mexico in the next few days. Tropical Storm Laura moving across portions of the Caribbean over the next 2 days, swinging by Key West. Then it looks like landfall Wednesday on the Gulf Coast, and we'll have to watch that other system. It could become Hurricane Marco. Well, if that system does, or one of those systems brings us some inland rain later next week, that would be very welcome because we will need it. Just a few scattered showers around late tomorrow afternoon. Most of the day will be nice and sunny. It'll be hot all weekend, mid to upper 80s. And here you see Sunday, better chance that we'll have some widespread scattered showers and storms, and then a slight chance of a thunderstorm on Monday. So the other story is the heat. You thought we were done with summer? Not yet. Upper 80s and then 90 Tuesday and Thursday. We finally get a break next Friday into the lower 80s. And be sure to download the KDKA weather app. You can have the weather forecast on the go with you as you're out and about this weekend. Just search CBS Pittsburgh weather in the App Store and Google Play Store. Ken?